If this is your first visit, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any our amazing videos. Now let's get started. Why is Husky the most inexplicable creature on Earth?
Bruh.
Husky, go to the other side. That's right. Hey, not that way. Shake my hand. Okay, well done. Husky is actually very affectionate. That's why Husky is the best.
If you're not going to stop, I'd better join you.
This is Husky's divine maternal love. Do you want to eat it? Cross your arms.